Hey guys, my name is Jason. Welcome to Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today I want to go over this brand new 2026 Hino L6. It is a 26-foot box truck. This is a dry van, and this is a great opportunity for you to get into a brand new unit. Again, we sell anything from 16 to 26-foot box trucks here at Industrial Power. It is one of the most popular items that we have. So again, let's go into this truck. This is paired with the Cummins B 6.7 liter and Allison automatic transmission. This unit has a Wabash 26-foot box on the back. It is a Dura plate body. We'll go into a little bit more in detail as we get to the back. Real quick, let's just take a quick look inside so you can see some of the details of the cab. Here we have a full captain's chair. We do have a bench seat as well, so this is for a crew of 3. This is an air brake, air ride truck, so you will see the controls up at the front. You will also notice it's a simple truck to drive. You just hop in, put the gear in drive and go. Automatic transmission, so nothing else to worry about. As we come to the back of the truck, you do have space. We can add any accessories to this particular type box, but again, a lot of people really like this style. The Dura plate body itself has composite with 2 pieces of aluminum inside and outside that help protect from any of the products shifting. They won't puncture through the side like on regular aluminum bodies. So again, something to consider, especially if you're delivering furniture or delivering items that tend to shift quite a bit on the inside of the box. Again, with this unit, this is 103 tall, 102 wide. This does have 2 rows of E-track along the sides and the front already. This does have the forklift package here at the back to help protect the wood, and especially if you have dollies or anything coming in and out. Back here, this is equipped with an ICC bumper. Now, this can be removed at our body shop here at our Fort Worth location. We can add a lift gate to this, tuck-away style. We can do rail lifts if you want to. You just let us know exactly what it is that you need. Some people do like to have the lift gate and actual ramp put on these, especially for loading deliveries. Now, as we come around, a lot of people just see a blank white box truck. Here at Industrial Power, we always highly recommend that you put your name, your graphics on the side of the truck. Turn that fuel money into advertising money as you're going down the road. Some last quick details, this does have a 90-gallon fuel tank here on the side. And again, guys, here at Industrial Power, 16-foot to 26-foot box trucks, we do sell them often. We are known for these type of units. If you have any questions at all, please give us a call. Let us know what you need. Please like and subscribe this video here on YouTube. Definitely follow us on our social channels. Make sure to stay up to date with all the units that we put online. Thank you again, and you have a great day.